Hello friends, my name is Erica Lucas. Welcome to the channel where I share videos about living with less and minimalism on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. This is not a clean with me, already clean my house video. My house is dirty. The dog shook off after playing in the mud. The kids let him in the house and he shook off in the dining room. So I've got mud everywhere on the walls down there. The bathroom, the kids were also playing in the mud, and on the side of the bathroom door where they've been opening and closing it are the mud marks. So I got to get that off. I've already done a tidy of the house, and you can see here, this basket. I've collected everything that is in the wrong spot and just needs to go back into its home. That is the magic of the 10-minute tidy up with minimalism, is this just being able to tidy up like that. Okay. So I'm going to get started. I am in my boys' room. I'm going to start in the bedrooms, do the bathroom, and then work my way downstairs. I actually asked you guys on the community page what you would do with an hour of cleaning. And you said, a lot of you said work top down, do a weekly blessing from the FlyLady. And I'm going to challenge myself to see how many things I can clean in 60 minutes. Take a guess, leave a comment below. How many things you think I can clean in 60 minutes? I'm not talking about deep cleaning. I'm talking about it's clean, enough. I have about an hour of time to clean the house before a super busy week kicks in starting tomorrow. And I just wanted to be able to kind of hit the reset button universally on the whole house to start the week as clean as possible, because I'm not going to have a lot of time this week to focus on zone cleaning or cleaning at all. It's all going to be maintenance, among other things that are going to take us out of the house this week. One. To tell you that before minimalism, there's no way I could have pulled off an hour-long speed clean of 3 bedrooms, a family room, the dining room, and the kitchen, and the bathroom. There was no way. There was stuff everywhere. We had so many things and so much clutter that I would spend my time getting clutter out of the way or organizing clutter and not spending my time actually cleaning. And it really held me back from cleaning, definitely before. Now it's not as stressful or bothersome to clean the house. It's actually kind of easy to clean the house because there's not a lot of things in the way. We live very intentionally with our belongings and our time. And so now when I have an hour available, I can clean the whole house in a satisfactory way. They're downstairs watching Paw Patrol. I have a bunch of little starter projects here on the floor of my room. I didn't do her windows or dust. It's double back. Look, it just cleaned it. Dude. Do you ever have a favorite blanket that's like so worn and from washing and using that, but it's your favorite and so comfortable? So you just fold it so you can't see it. I'm not gonna dust this. I'm not gonna do that. Too many things to clear off, and I'm not gonna do it. Made my bed though. My windows No, because then I'd have to step on my bed, and I already made it, and I don't want to do that. So I'm not going to do that. Bathroom, here. This. That's not too bad. Ooh, gotta do the windows. And see, on a deep clean, like I would do this. At least once a week, I scrub out their toothbrush caddies. So I have been putting trash in my pocket as I find it. I didn't bring a trash bag along with me this time. Still going through a set of paper towels that I bought last year because I use microfiber cleaning cloths for the rest of the house, but on the toilet I use paper towels. I have been using a technique from the Secret Slob and the FlyLady called a swish and swipe in the bathroom every day. I've been doing the floors around the toilet and the sink. And by doing that, it is so easy to clean the bathroom when I actually do a bathroom cleaning. So I messed up my camera angle here. Put the cleaner right in front of the camera. But I did clean the wood surfaces and I did clean the windows, but left the vacuum in the view of the camera here. Sorry about that. Our living room has a cozy minimalist approach to it. We still have toys in here. I have decor that I just love. And so I keep that, but I just kind of centralize it in a tray or just make it look really nice, but it's at a minimum. And that's what it means to us to be cozy minimalist. It's to just have the things that we really like having around us, but just not a ton of stuff like we used to have.